Hello everyone, this is Mehboob Lashkar. On behalf of the teaching staff of Hailakandi Junior Science College, have extended my heartfelt thanks to all students, teachers, respected guardians and all others. I am a faculty for the Department of Mathematics at Hailakandi Junior Science College. We all know that the whole world is passing through a huge crisis for coronavirus, which is beyond the control of human hand. So, in these situations, what would be your duty in this crisis for the responsible citizen of the country? In these situations, you have to maintain all the guidelines provided by the government, that is, wash your hands with soap, maintain social distancing, wear masks in the mouth, and stay at your own home. So, in these situations, by coming to the institute, the formal class is not possible. So, it is not the time for enjoying the holidays. It is the time for reading and writing, for improving your weakness in each subject. So, in this moment, we, all the faculty members of Hailakandi Junior Science College, have taken an initiative to take online classes for higher secondary students. We also decided to provide the necessary study materials through online system, as you can study well by sitting or at staying your own home. Today I will be delivering a lecture on the syllabus of mathematics for higher secondary first year students. So now coming to the point, this is the syllabus for HS first year subject mathematics. It contains 6 units which can be divided into sub parts. Basically, these 6 units are: Unit 1, sets and function, it contains only 29 marks. Unit 2, algebra, it contains 37 marks. Unit 3, coordinate geometry, it contains 13 marks. Unit 4, calculus, it contains 6 marks. Unit 5, mathematical reasoning, contains 3 marks. Unit 6, statistics and probability, it contains 12 marks. So I will discuss in the next class for the syllabus of HS second year mathematics, and I will start the first chapter, namely sets, in the next class. Thanking all of you.